Fucking Jesus H. Christ Almighty, like. Are you fucking joking? What? Take a fucking cue, like.
Well, I'm afraid to go near my phone.
Oh my god. No, sure, it's been videos, like. Oh my god.
Just because they wanted a pint.
Dublin in a state of full-on readiness.
Look what we're watching. Wow. Are they just coming up to watch the rugby? Is that it?
There's a fire station beside us.
Triple crowd secured for Ireland.
Wow.
And they've just put in a pizza delivery order.
Yeah. So anyway, listen. This is what we're looking at here now. This is our view.
Referee is from Australia. Angus Garland from Talking Australia.
Floor to
Any
ceiling.
Ireland players with a line straight down under this summer in the balance, then this is the perfect stage.
There we go.
to show
Right. Anyway, the main event. What?
What's fucking stop working?